Hi everyone. This is a video on some new templates that I have made to try to quicken the pace for you when you want to add an encounter to a well visit. So as you all know, we've talked about what happens when you add an encounter and how do you decide if you're going to add an encounter. The advantage, of course, of adding an encounter, which you do here, would be that it's then part of the running list. So when you actually go to the patient's chart, and you want to look at all of their encounters, you would be able to see, what diagnoses are there. Whereas if, let's say it's an otitis media, if it's in here, you would actually then not necessarily know that there was an otitis as part of this visit unless you had the encounter. So um, I wanted to try to make this faster for everybody so that we could all do it with a little bit more ease. And then that way we would all be maybe a little bit better at doing it. For an example, I've got Dr. Bones here, and I've got his checkup. Okay, so here's the 5-year-old checkup, and we're going to say that he has an otitis. So we will detail some of that information here. Let's say pulling at his ear, fever for 2 days. Okay, and then you would do your history, whatever that would be. And then down here, you would probably say, right, TM, red, with yellow fluid. Okay. So important thing to remember, for any given visit on any given day, you can only have one physical exam. So what we have recommended is that you put all of your physical findings on the well visit, and then you would go over here and over here, and you want to add an encounter. So you click this, okay, and that opens up this window. So here you would maybe put ear pain, and then what you do is you do well child add-on. As soon as you type the W, you can see all of these pop up down here. Well visit add-on, otitis left, otitis right. So we're going to pick that one, and we'll have all of this fill in. And what this does, as you can see, it just puts everything in for you. Seen for well visit, otitis diagnosed. You come down here to your exam, and it says see the well visit for exam. You come down to your assessment and plan, and it just says see well visit for details. So that way, it very quickly fills everything in for you. Essentially, all you have to do is click well add-on and pick your diagnosis. And then if you feel you spent additional time, you can code the time, but it already has a modifier. But if not, you just hit summary and you finalize it and you're done. And then you can go back and finalize your well visit, and then you've added this on and you're good. So there you can see I just finalized that. And now if I go to the, let's see, we'll go ahead and finalize this as well. And then you can see when I go to my chart view encounters, now you can pretty easily follow otitis media, so you've got it right there. And then you can also see where the well visit was. Wow, 18 months to age 5 in such a short time. Must be like a Star Trek thing. Anyway, I am open to any suggestions of what you guys would like me to make in terms of well add-on templates. So whatever it is that you guys can think of, tell me and I will make it. As you could see, I've made scoliosis. Oops, sorry, wrong thing. I've made otitis. And I'll list it here. Let's see. Constipation, dysmenorrhea, innocent heart murmur, plagiocephaly. So anything you guys think of, tell me, and I will create it. And essentially, it will just have everything entered for you, and then you just basically apply it. All right, that's all. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.